Find two numbers with a sum of 15 and a difference of 4. So I can set these out like simultaneous equations. So I'm going to have my two numbers and I'm going to say my two numbers are x and y. Now the sum is when we add them. So when we add them, x add y is equal to 15. And the difference is when we take away. So x take away y is equal to 4. So now I can do my simultaneous equations on here. So I could either eliminate the x's or eliminate the y's. The easiest one would be to eliminate the x's by subtracting the bottom equation, because x take away x is 0. So I'm going to have 0x, and then I'm going to have y take away negative y. Now let's just write that out. Y take away negative y. Well, that means I'm taking away a bad thing, which is actually a good thing. So I'm taking away detention. That means you haven't got detention, so it's good. So y add y is 2y. So I've got 2y, and then I've got 15 take away 4 is 11. I want to know what y is, so I need to divide by 2, a little balance method here. And I can leave it as a fraction 11 over 2 or 5.5, doesn't actually matter which. So now I've got my y, I need to figure out what my x is and substitute it into either one of the equations, it doesn't matter which one. So I'm going to do the top one. So we've got y is 5.5, so x plus y is 5.5 is equal to 15. Again, a little balance method. I need to take away 5.5 from both sides. And I get x is equal to 9.5. So my two numbers are 5.5 and 9.5.